Alrighty, guys. Beautiful Dodge Journey. All right. I'm actually impressed. I am happy for this customer. Number one, y'all see this? This is a transmission pan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 41 TE, formerly known as the 604. I don't know if you guys old enough to remember the 604. And look at here. That is a factory seal. There ain't no bolts on it because I'm getting ready to drop the pan and do. I'm waiting on my hammer. I need my hammer now to start banging. But the reason I'm impressed is, yeah, let me show y'all what we about to do. We about to help prolong the life of this transmission. The best way to do that is to service it. Yeah, remember 604. They take a different kind of filter. Y'all see that M? It's a Mopar filter, baby. Yeah, and guess what? You don't see no rubber gasket or no cork gasket over here. You know why? Because these transmissions seal better using Mopar RTV. Oh, guys, just use RTV. Use some good RTV though. All right, and of course, last but not least, we're going in with 5 to 6 quarts of ATF plus 4. All right, the 604 or 41 TE never was considered a field for life. So when I explained she got 80,000 miles, she asked. Some people think that's too late. No, guys. The services is recommended every 60,000 miles. Just because you 20,000 miles over don't mean abandon your service responsibility. Yeah, it's in your best interest to service this thing. Remember what you're trying to do, prolong the life of your transmission. You want it to last as long as possible. All right, so and that's what I intend to do on this, my customer's transmission. All right, I gotta go find my hammer and get the whacking away. Got my bucket down here, guys. Y'all wish me luck. I don't want to make a mess. Yeah. All right. Now I'll let y'all take a look at the fluid. 80,000 miles, guys. I'm guessing based off the dipstick. Yeah, this one got a dipstick and a tube. The fluid kind of brown. It should be candy apple red. So they have some damage been done. The least that have been done is the filter is trashing up. Okay, remember the torque converter breaks down every time this thing going. Okay, so that debris has to go somewhere. Hopefully it end up in the filter where it's supposed to. All right, I'm talking too much. Let me grab my hammer. Let's take a look at this fluid. I made a little mess, guys. Yeah, that's black. What I'm concerned with is this magnet, because clutch debris, see that? Yeah, so definitely debris is being accumulated by clutch material, likely inside the torque converter. All right, these torque converters they're not pro brand at all. They're not gonna. This is what you should be chasing. Definitely time, guys. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I made a little mess. Oh my goodness. No matter how much you try not to make a mess, you still make a mess. So I'm gonna grab a razor blade, get as much of this old RTV off as possible, grind it down, clean it up, reseal it, put it back on, put a new filter on, refill it, and last but not least, go test drive it. No, the true last but not least is when I verify. This is still computer controlled. There's a TCM. It's built inside the PCM. However, there are TCM functions, and it needs to be up to date just like anything else. So I'm gonna verify that the TCM is up to date. That's part of the transmission tune-up, in my opinion. Give it the latest and greatest engineered recommendation, as to how it should shift. Shifting points. From time to time, they'll change that. They'll create some tuning software, and we ought to flash update it into the computers and go from there. Gosh, that's all I have. All I'm doing here is trying to help prolong the life of this transmission. And I suggest you guys do the same thing. No such thing as lifetime fluid. All fluid will break down. It's heat, guys. All fluid will break down over time. Don't buy into the lifetime fluid thing. All right, service your transmission. I gotta go.